Shop everything audio at bigjeffaudio.com. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Sorry to kick you out.
That's all good.
Oh, you got a little lift.
Oh yeah, a little bit taller. Last time I gave you a demo was 2018 Slam Fest. You might remember, you might not.
Yes, sir. I do. Could you tell me?
210s.
Okay.
VFL 10s on a VFL Comp 3K.
Comp 3K.
In a 6th order.
American base? Okay.
Yep.
What are their tunings on this?
22 and 50.
Okay.
So 22 back chamber, and it's a 3-to-1 ratio.
At 1 ohm? Okay.
And the subs are brand new. I put them in later last week. So
Okay.
they're not broken.
Yes, sir.
The box,
Yes, sir.
got to shrink the back chamber about
You do?
here.
Okay. Thank you for showing me. I'm gonna go look at the back real quick. Do you see how far back it goes?
I'll see you again.
Yes, sir. Picture. How you doing? What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of his system. He was showcasing his system at the Made of Steel show in Tampa, Florida area in 2021. Looking forward to showing you all a 2-song bass demo inside this system. This was his previous video. He gave me a demo of about 2 years ago prior to this video. Link in the description if you want to see that video after you watch the demo of this one, so you can kind of see how far he has come. If you haven't already, go ahead and give him a like. He did a really good job showcasing it, as well as comment. Let him know what you think about his system. I like the way he has the box layout, an efficient subwoofer box build, and then he has a stunt wall outside to be able to play. So this is a 6th order blow through. There's actually a window that he took out between those two glass panels on the back of his truck. It is considered a 6th order bandpass box enclosure because it has a port inside of the box, as well as this port that you can see going out of the box. Got a quick little clip you're going to see during the video. I poked my camera in to kind of give you some subflex action. You can see a PVC port he had to the left of the subwoofers, making it a 6th order enclosure. The low end tuning in the back definitely could see during the door flex during that second song in the demo. It really was flexing a lot. All on a 3,000 watt amplifier, making it 2 10-inch subwoofers on 3,000 watts in this system. So it's definitely an impressive system for 2 10-inch subs on this 2-song bass demo he's about to give us. You'll see some pretty crazy flex. Didn't expect to get 2 10s this loud. And as you saw in the thumbnail, didn't get a lot of information about this Isobaric style mid-range 10 or 12-inch speakers with the huge horns and a single super tweeter in the back. Sorry about that. I usually focus more on the bass side of things, but I figured I'd be able to show y'all the outside as well because I try to give you a full walk around. So consider subscribing if you haven't already for daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy this 2-song car audio bass demo that you're about to get. Pretty impressive for 10s.
YouTube Music Premium is dedicated to you during your dinner party with friends and
you got lows and
That's
highs.
the box.
Yes, sir.
I got to shrink the back chamber.
You do? Okay. Thank you for showing me. You have a good day, man.
As well. I'll see you again.
Yes, sir. Picture. Shop everything audio at bigjeffaudio.com. Links in the description. Thanks for watching.